Hey guys, today, I'm going to unlock all the moves of Blizzard Fruit in Blox Fruits, and after unlocking every move, we're going to test whether Blizzard is actually good for PvP and grinding or not. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because we're very close to 20,000 subscribers, and on 20k subscribers, we're giving away a control fruit to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss your chance, subscribe now and join our Discord server. The Discord server link is in the description below. Alright, enough talking. It's time to start grinding mastery on our Blizzard Fruit and unlock every single move. Let's see if Blizzard is worth using or not. Looks like it's pretty good for grinding.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where where I stepped.
So we finally unlocked all the moves of Blizzard. Now it's time to test the total damage of every move and see how powerful Blizzard really is for PvP. First, let's check the damage of all the moves, then we're going to try some crazy combos. So our testing is finally done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Discord server, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.